I'm going to read you both a story. Jack, are you listening to the story? Cash, are you listening?
Oh.
Ooh, focus. Baby. Auto-suggestion. The medium for influencing the subconscious mind. The third step towards riches. Autosuggestion is a term which applies to all suggestions and all self-administered stimuli which reach one's mind through the five senses. Stated another way, autosuggestion is self-suggestion. It is the agency of communication between that part of the mind where conscious thought takes place and that which serves as a seat of action for the subconscious mind.